Hi guys, I hope you're doing fabulous as usual. In today's video, I wanted to share something very special. My husband surprised me on my birthday this year with a little Louis Vuitton item, and the reason it is so incredibly special to me is because usually, like for any of the luxury purchases, luxury handbags, wallets, anything like that, I like to buy it on my own just because I'm very weird. I don't really like anyone buying stuff like that for me because it is really expensive. It's one of those things where I like to work hard for it, and then once I've saved money for it, I can go out and purchase it, and it's just something that makes me kind of feel good about myself. And then on top of that, because these items are expensive, I don't really want my loved ones or close friends and family spending that kind of money on me. So when my husband surprised me with this for my birthday, it was just so sweet because it was very unexpected. So I thought I would do an unboxing today just to show you what my sweet husband got me, and he is just so thoughtful. So he took the day off last Friday, and him and my daughter spent the day together. They had a little daddy-daughter date, but they wouldn't tell me where they were going. They wouldn't say it at all. My daughter told me, "None of your business, Mommy." She wouldn't tell me, and I tried to ask. I was like, "What are you and Daddy doing today?" That type of thing, but she wouldn't tell me. They spent the day together, and they came back, and they brought me cookie cake, which is one of my favorites, and they got me some ice cream cake, balloons, and then they surprised me with this, as well as a Sephora gift card, which, as you know, that is the way to my heart. And I just had a wonderful birthday. My friends and family were so sweet. But I really wanted to share this with you guys and show you how I'm going to use it, so then that way, if it's something you guys might want in the future, then you can you know a little more about it. So he gave it to me in this bag right here. It came in a nice little box like this that you open up, and of course, just like every Louis Vuitton item, it comes in a nice little dust bag like this. Okay, so the item I am referring to is the Pocket Agenda cover in the Damier graphite canvas, and it looks like this. So this is actually labeled as the men's section, but the reason I like it so much is because one of my favorite bags, the Pochette Matisse that I've been carrying around a lot, is black, and you know I like the brown ones, but I'm so happy that he picked this out for me, and let me tell you why. So it is an agenda cover. You open it up and it has 3 slots right here for credit cards. It has the little Louis Vuitton here, and then you can put bills or anything you want in here, but I'm actually going to use it as a checkbook cover / agenda cover. So I'm going to put my checkbook on one side and then an agenda in the other, close it, and it'll be nice and thin. It'll fit perfectly in my handbag. Now, he makes fun of me all the time. He says that I am ancient because I am probably one of the last people on earth that still carries a checkbook. So please, if anyone out there still carries a checkbook, please leave it down below so I don't feel crazy. But you know, you never know when you're gonna have to write a check. For example, I just wrote a check the other day for Girl Scout cookies because a lot of times they don't take cash, and you never know, school pictures, they take checks. So there you go. Not that I'm trying to justify myself, but there you go. But I'm also a planner. I like to write down everything. Obviously I have my schedule, my husband's schedule, my daughter's schedule. You know, I just like to plan things. So I thought this would be perfect because I could have everything in one location. I am so incredibly excited to use it. Now I will give you a tip. I looked online and you can buy the agenda refills. They're like $65. I don't know about you guys, but that is crazy expensive to me. So I plan on going out to Amazon or someplace like that, even Target, and just finding one of the thin pocket agendas and then slipping it in here, and that will work just fine, other than spending $65. I think that is crazy. But anyway, guys, so this is what my husband got me. I thought it was so incredibly sweet. Again, it is the Pocket Agenda cover in the Damier graphite canvas. So again, I was so thankful. My birthday was just so wonderful this year. So another special thank you to all my friends and family for making my birthday so great. I love you guys so much. But if you have any questions on this or anything else, make sure to leave it in the description box below. If you are new to my family, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. I would love to have you join me in all my videos. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time.